I'll be showing you step by step how to set up an announcement bar for your Shopify store. To do so, we'll be using a completely free app called IA Announcement Bar, which makes it super easy to create fixed, running line, or carousel style announcement bars on our store. We also get geo-targeting as well, so we can customize that for our customers. You can find this on the Shopify App Store. I'll also leave a link in the description below. So once you're on this page, let's click Install here and begin the setup sequence. If you're comfortable with permissions, we'll click Install, and let's go and begin to set this up on our store. So to start, I'm just going to pin this here on the left-hand side to make it easy to find for later. And before we create our announcement, let's go and activate it here. And this opens up our Shopify theme editor and the app embed section. So I can see it's enabled here, and I'll hit save in the top right. I'll click save there, and let's go back to the previous tab. And let's go and create our first announcement bar. And I just want a top and bottom bar here. So I'm going to select this here. So first off, we can give it a name. Now this is for internal use only. So I'm just going to call this first. As for the announcement type, we get three options. The first one is a simple announcement bar. There's a running line one, so it's going to scroll across. We can have multiple rotating announcements here, so a person could toggle through them. I'll just leave a simple announcement bar here. And so first off, we can set the title. So it's going to be bolded, a subheading, and a call to action. I'm going to make the entire bar clickable. We can give it a specific URL here. I'm just going to paste the homepage link here, and we can also have a close icon as well. So we can set the scheduling, and I'm going to have it start right now, and it's going to go ongoing and not have an end date. So let's continue to the design here. Next up, we can customize the positioning. I want this to be on the top of the page here, and I'm okay with it not being sticky, so a customer can scroll past it. Next up, we can set the background color. I'm going to set mine to a bright yellow, just so it's easy to see. We can set it to a gradient if we want as well. For the border radius, maybe give it a 5, so more rounded corners. And for the typography, we can customize the font, as well as the button color as well, if available. I'll just leave all of these as is. As for the placement, we can set it to be on every page, the home page, all product pages. We can even pick specific products or collections. I'm just going to have this on every page here so we can go and see it, but I'm going to click save, and that's going to auto-publish this as well. Actually, I take that back. We do need to click the button there. So if I go to online store, click view your online store, we should see our announcement bar on top, and there it is. Enjoy a 20% discount on all products. Now if I click on that, it's going to open up the homepage as well, as I set that to be the link. And so we can put anything we want in the announcement bar. Overall, it's up to you on what you want to announce to customers. We set it not to be sticky, so when we scroll down, it's not going to follow us. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. You have your cost of goods sold, ad spend, transaction fees, and so many other costs that make it hard to discover your store's true profit. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, aggregating all your metrics in one place, so you can start making smarter business decisions, as you'll have a great understanding of how your store is actually performing. Everything is super easy to read in the dashboard, and there are many other reports available as well. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself, and you can find it on the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and just looking for this logo in the top left. I'll also leave a link in the description below. Again, there's a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything so you can get a true understanding of your store's profit performance. So this concludes the video here on an announcement bar setup. We used a completely free app that made it super easy to throw that onto our Shopify store, and it's going to work with any theme. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. Any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.